In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you can't import media into DaVinci Resolve. So if you're trying to import some video footage over into DaVinci and it's just not working, then there's actually a couple of things we can do to solve this issue. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure that the file you're trying to drag over to DaVinci doesn't contain any special characters in the file name. So you can see my video file at the top here. It contains a bunch of different characters such as full stops and other special characters. So what you want to do is just go and remove all of these from the file name, and then you can try dragging in your video file and that should solve the issue. Now, if for some reason that doesn't work, then the second solution is just to open up an internet browser, and we're going to type in convert my video to MP4 and hit enter. Now scroll down until you see this website here, which is the cloudconvert.com. Click on that one, then go and click on select file and just locate the video file that you're trying to import into DaVinci. So mine's this one here. I'm going to double click on this, then click on the drop down arrow and select MP4 from the list, and then go and press convert. So now you'll just need to wait a few minutes while this converts the video file into an MP4. Once it's finished converting, we can press the download button, and then that file should go and appear in your downloads folder. So now all you simply need to do is head back over to DaVinci and locate that new file that we just downloaded. And then with this new file selected, we can simply drag it into our project like this. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.